Hi, my name's Lee Garrett and welcome to another weekly tip video. Getting work done, or just being productive in general, is a lot harder than it sounds. Distractions are all around us, whether it's the need to catch up on the latest news, desperation to avoid missing out on the latest social media feeds, or just boredom kicking in because you're procrastinating over that important task that you know you need to do, but just cannot bring yourself to start. Focus on macOS is an application that is designed to help beat these distractions. It blocks websites and applications at the touch of a button, which gives you the opportunity to attain some form of momentum and flow when trying to work and get that best work done. There are two ways of purchasing Focus. You can get it directly from the developer at heyfocus.com, and there are three different pricing tiers you can see here that you can get. There's the productivity one, which is $19. You've got the professional at $39 and unlimited at $129. Now the feature sets are here, and if you were looking to purchase the application directly from the developer, I certainly recommend the professional level and above, and we'll cover the various features that they offer shortly. You can also get Focus through the Setup suite of apps, and the version that you get with Setup is indeed the professional one. So this is Focus in Setup, and I've already installed it on my machine here, so I'll just click Open. And as we open for the first time, there's a welcome window that appears that offers us both the ability to start a new 10-minute focus session, as well as provide us with a checkbox to start Focus automatically when the computer starts. Now what this does is this starts the application as opposed to kicking off a focus session of work that blocks websites and applications. So I'm going to leave this one ticked, and I'll just minimize this window and the setup one at the same time. And you should see that an icon.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from ScreenCastsOnline. ScreenCastsOnline is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only ScreenCastsOnline Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital ScreenCastsOnline monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit ScreenCastsOnline.com today and become a ScreenCastsOnline member.